How's everybody doing today? My name is Yuri Hammerschmidt, and I'm going to be teaching you how to build vending machines or use vending machines in Fortnite. You can't build them. So first, we're going to look on this map and see where we're going. And now there's going to be a vending machine here, vending machine in here. There's vending machines over here, and I know there's a vending machine here, and I know this because of this map. This map has all the locations of the vending machines, and since we're flying through here, we're going to try and land over in this area because there's a good cluster of them. So we're going to switch back to our game, and we're going to aim for this area. You can see it right here, and we're going to jump, and I'm going to put my head right where I'm going, right there. That's where I'm going. So I got a good amount of distance to cover, so I'm going to fall quickly so I get there before most people. And I'm going to keep my head right where we're going, right down there. I'm going to do it again. And there could be a vending machine in here as well, but we're not going to go for that one because I don't see a vending machine there. So there might be a vending machine in here. But there's usually a chest in this place too. So it's a good place to land if you want to get to a vending machine first. And if there is a vending machine in here, I'll be able to tell you how to use it. It doesn't look like there is one. It'll be on the bottom floor, so all the way down here. Oh, there is a vending machine. So this one has 200 brick. It has the brick, wood, and metal 200. It's the green one. So we can get a hunting rifle, or a silenced submachine gun for 200 wood. So let's see. 200 wood for the hunting rifle, 200 brick for the hunting rifle, and 200 metal for the silenced submachine gun. Now somebody is shooting at me right now, and that is quite an issue. He must have seen me run in here. What an ass. Let's try and do some quick work of this young man. Unbelievable. What an idiot, you know what I mean? Alright, so that's your first lesson. Never attack somebody whose name is Yuri Hammerschmidt, because it's Yuri time. Alright, now we're going to get this gun, and we're going to start collecting some resources. So we need 200 wood to get the hunting rifle. So we're just going to chop down some trees. Now, if you want to get brick, you got to find stone, and if you want to get metal, obviously you got to find something metal. Most trees generally give out between 15 to 30 wood, and if you hit the circle, you get a bonus of amount of wood. So you'll notice it's like a game. You get like a little plus indicator, and it's very nice. Again, on big trees, you can get up to like 70 wood because it takes longer to knock them down. So I'm about one tree away from having enough wood to get a hunting rifle, and obviously hunting rifles aren't great. But it's the same way for all of the other vending machines. You get the amount of wood, of metal, or brick that it requires, and you go over to it, and you click on it. So now we have 202 wood, so we can jump down into the vending machine, and click. We can use the pickaxe to cycle through it. And once we're on 200 wood, you just hold E. You'll lose 200 wood, but you'll get a gun in return. So I don't really need a hunting rifle because I have this sniper rifle, but that's a non-issue. So there you go. There you have it. That's how you do it. Now, if you want to get some stone, you got to go find some wood. But I'm gonna do my best to try and find another vending machine. So there's this vending machine over here that it has potential, and we'll see if that one exists. If it doesn't exist, then I'm just gonna tell you that that's how you do it. And it's the same for every other vending machine. They're not gonna spawn in every location, but it's quite simple to use, as you've seen. Most of the time you won't have to kill somebody to get to it. You just go to one of these remote locations, you get a gun off the bat, and there's another person in the distance. I missed him, that's fine. Now he's going to build, and now I'm probably going to die. Oh, he doesn't know which direction the snipe came from. Oh, but he's smart enough to build. Okay, so the vending machine is this way. There's a chest over here. I don't think he sees me either, so that's fine. So we're going to come over here. And the vending machine, I think, is inside of here. Okay, so it's another green vending machine in here, so that doesn't really help. So there you go. It's the same thing. So, yeah, I'm going to just grab this chest real quick. And we're going to go off to the races. What did I just drop? I want the pistol. Alright, let's see. You think that we can climb up on this guy and just kill him real quick? Let's do it. Oh, boy. Build! Oh, boy, we don't have any resources. Ah, we died. What a shame. We didn't have enough resources because we went to the vending machine. And that is a good example that if you go to a vending machine, you should probably farm more resources. Otherwise, you're probably going to die real quick again. So, it's unfortunate. We got a nice little kill there. taught you how to use a vending machine, and then also taught you the repercussions of using a vending machine. If you don't have enough materials, you'll probably die very quickly. So, look at that. He gave us a squirrel. What a nice guy. All right. Have a nice day, everybody.